Hey, it's a brand new day on Gilliam Farms, and we're digging our way out of another snow that we had here. If you recall, it was just 70 degrees a couple of days ago, and now, yesterday we actually had a 4-inch snow. It would have been a lot more than that had it been not melting as soon as it hit, but we're starting to thaw out from that, and I've got a little chore that I've got to get done, so let me get over here and get it loaded up, what we got to take over to the farm. I think it's 500 pound capacity for just regular seed, fertilizer, and things like that. And it is sitting here, it's got a bunch of snow in it and stuff like that, but I've got to get this like in the back of my truck. Like it was made for it. So what I've got here is I've got the cone spreader, and I just brought it in, and I was able to set it off the truck just the same way I put it in there by myself. And then I've got some Kentucky 31 tall fescue seed. I've got 2 bags of that. That's extremely expensive stuff right there. It's $100 a bag. And then I've got some ryegrass seed, and I got 3 bags of that. And the reason I use that is because we're in mud season, and this is going to be the quickest thing to get some green out there, and the cattle do like it. I mean, they really like it. So we'll put this out, everything will green up real quick. I mean, they'll be eating this stuff in March. It's mid-February right now. It's February 13th right now, So, yeah, by next month I'll be eating this. So that'll be good. Anyway, let me get the tractor hooked up. Filled it up. So now whenever I drive it out across there, this is all going to settle. Agitator in there, and whenever that agitator is spinning, it'll mix it. So let's go start spreading seed. I am not going to be spreading in this field because this grass is already well established. This is Bermuda grass, and there's a little bit of fescue in here, a lot of clover, and there's some ryegrass as well, so not seeding this pasture. seed in the pond paddock. I'm in the transition paddock again. I've got about that much seed left, so I'm gonna put it as far as I can go. Yep, getting a lot done. It's gonna be really nice whenever it starts greening up. Got left. Spreading out, let's make these rocks green. Really? Really? You gonna be all good? You gonna be all good? Huh? You gonna be all good? How about you? You gonna be good? Hmm? Yeah, I'm not so bad. I'm not so bad. I bring her food every day. All afternoon seeding all this ground. So what I've done is I've taken and I've seeded over the entire place. That would be this entire 10-acre paddock, all of the ground inside the transition paddock that was good enough to grow grass. I wanted to show you all the seed. So the cattle really churn this area up right here. You can see the seed down here all on the ground. And what happens is the cattle walk through here so much that they will actually push that seed into the ground. Plus, I have driven over it quite a bit with the tractor, getting good seed to soil contact. Danny is here. He's still with the 21 heifer, and so he's still paying her attention. And then we got little Liberty Bale. She's right here, and she was born on the 4th of July, if you guys remember. And there is the mother of little Miracle, who's laying up there in the hay. So as far as who is gonna, and there's a little surprise inside the little creeper. Just kind of hanging it going, yep, got my grub on in here. And that's what this is for. The calves just go in and out. Well, actually, they're out. Oh my goodness. Look here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, all but out. I got just a little bit more to come down there that they can get with their tongue, but time to go buy some. So I'm gonna go get some more creep feed tomorrow. But anyway, I need to bring my chainsaw over here and I need to get this tree cut up. The spring is springing just fine. You can see how much coverage I've gotten of the seed all over the ground everywhere. But the spring is still springing just fine out of the ground right here. Beth is going to have a calf anytime. This one right here. Her bag is really making, and she is springing heavy. So she's going to have a calf anytime. And we got one right up here that's going to have a calf anytime. And so that heifer is going to have a calf. And then we've got more up here that are going to have calves. They got plenty of hay. There comes little Miracle right here. That's little Miracle. So that seed, I spread it all through this. I mean, everywhere. You can see it in the cow patties. You can see it everywhere. So they'll churn this stuff in and it'll rain on it. and it'll frost seed, which means the frost will pull it in and everything. Anyway, there's a little miracle right there, and she is a dandy. I expect the heifer to have a calf first will be this one right here, and she is really springing heavy, and she's got her bag is really big too. She's made a really good bag under there. So this is her mama right here. She's about the same size as her mama. So she's good enough. And then let's see over here. And that is Oreo. Oreo is probably the best cow we got right here. And she is not missing her calf one iota, because that's her calf over hollering. That's Danny Star, and she's like, I gotta save up for my next baby, because she's got another one that she should be having another calf probably 2 months. Anyway, all this is seeded. Everything is taken care of over here. Cows are all doing fantastic. Weatherman has said that winter may be over. February. That's a bold claim. They're calling for maybe 80s next week, late next week. That's a really bold claim. But anyway, let me go down here and show you this area down here that they really churned up. This is Patty cow. Patty cow, she's a really good mama. So anyway, this area right here is another area where they really churn it up. And they had this ground just all destroyed in here. And I came over this heavy with the seed. So this should really turn into some nice green grass right here, because it's all manure and mud. The cows walk all around in it. You can see the seed coverage in here. So this really should turn out nice in here. So yeah, they'll have good green grass. Just, I'd say within a month they'll have good green grass. That'll be like middle March. So, you know, hay feeding season may be cut short this year. May not have to go that long. Anyway, oh, this is 22. She's another one that's getting ready to have a calf. She'll have a calf probably, here in about a month. She'll have one. Danny over there playing with the calves. He is such a gentle bull. Very gentle bull. Well, anyway, if you like this video of pasture seeding and overseeding and stuff like that, then like, comment, and subscribe. I'll continue to bring more content in the future. And as always, everybody, God bless.